Good morning. You're listening to Sumaya Ansari, your news anchor from Lavafara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news from around the world. News of 2nd July 2020 are as follows. Unlock 2.0 guidelines. Schools, colleges, metro to remain shut. Night curfew from 10 pm to 5 am. Government announces guidelines for Unlock 2 to be in force till July 31st. The Home Ministry on Monday issued guidelines for Unlock 2.0 phase across country between July 1 and July 31st. The report stated that COVID-19 lockdown shall continue to remain in force in containment zones till July 31st. In containment zones, only essential activities to be allowed. The government's guidelines come on a day when Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu extended lockdowns in their respective states to July 31st. Unlock 2.0 guidelines. Schools, colleges, education institutes will remain closed till July 31st. Online distance learning shall continue to be permitted and shall be encouraged. Lockdown shall continue to remain in force in containment zones till July 31st. In containment zones, only essential activities to be allowed. Night curfew shall continue to remain in force between 10 pm and 5 am except for essential activities and other relaxations. Social, political, sports, entertainment, academic, cultural, religious functions and other large congregation remains prohibited. International air travel except as allowed by MHA will also remain barred. Shops, depending upon the area, can have more than 5 persons at a time. However, they have to maintain adequate physical distance. Training institutions of the central and state governments will be allowed to function with effect from July 15 and SOP in this regard will be issued by the Department of Personnel and Training. Meanwhile, Union Home Secretary Ajay Bhalla wrote to Chief Secretaries of all states and UTs urging them to ensure compliance of Unlock 2 guidelines and direct all concerned authorities for their strict implementation. Uttar Pradesh news. Not Noida, this NCR district now has maximum COVID-19 cases. Ghaziabad has now surpassed Gautam Budh Nagar, Noida, Greater Noida to become the district in Uttar Pradesh with the maximum number of active cases of COVID-19, official data showed. Gautam Budh Nagar recorded 97 new cases on Tuesday as its tally of positive cases reached 2,304, while the number of active cases stood at 776 according to a 24-hour data issued by the Uttar Pradesh Health Department. Ghaziabad during the same period recorded 151 new cases and 4 deaths linked to COVID-19. The number of active cases in the district rose to 882, while the over tally of positive cases reached 1,615, the data stated. UP launching major plantation drive for Miracle Sahjan tree. Lucknow, July 1, the Uttar Pradesh government is preparing to promote plantation of Sahjan trees, Moringa oleifera commonly. Lucknow, July 1, the Uttar Pradesh government is preparing to promote plantation of Sahjan tree, Moringa oleifera, commonly known as drumsticks, in a big way. Nearly 1.7 crore saplings of the plant have been prepared for the mega tree plantation drive that will take place in the state in the coming days. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has urged every household in the rural areas to plant at least one Sahjan tree. He has also asked forest officials to spread awareness about the nutrition benefits of the tree and increase its plantation so that malnourished women and children can avail of its benefits. That's all for today. I, Sumaya Ansari, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.